Good afternoon, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. आज हम नया कुछ सीखेंगे. आज मार्केट बैंक निफ्टी पर्टिकुलरली डाउन साइड में फॉल किया है एंड whomsoever was our student, they were actually informed yesterday that yesterday was a very typical Bayes rule number 2 as per astrology. So that's mathematics, astronomical mathematics. So which suggested that there could have been a very volatile and downward movement, and we informed all our students through WhatsApps that there could be a good move, and this we said before the market opening, so that you could have taken your guard, and that move is going to continue for the next 2-3 days also, we said. So therefore this today Nifty has come down, Bank Nifty has come down. Because of that, it is no surprise for us. So we started off our day with our typical Gantt sheet, and this is a very newly launched Gantt trend change timing. It predicts, and this sheet actually predicts exactly the time when the trend would change. And this is the sheet we start off our day with this, and already the details it's available here. We have a separate YouTube video, learning video, how to use the sheets and all, and the pricing, and it is also coming with a loyalty bonus and cashback offer. If you are interested, you can check it in my YouTube channel, and with the link that is there in the description box. And we also have scanners and everything. So let's get back to our market, because this is more discussion would be more of technical in nature. So whomsoever is interested in technical analysis, obviously they would find it to be very interesting. Now this is a naked chart of Bank Nifty, right? I normally do not use any indicator, okay, but I will tell you, even certain indicators are very powerful at certain time. Now when day before yesterday I was looking at the chart, I suddenly discovered that in Bank Nifty this is a naked chart, and when I switch on RSI, this is the RSI, simple RSI. When I switched on RSI, I had a very interesting observation. What observation? In a daily chart of Bank Nifty, I am seeing a bearish divergence in RSI. What is bearish divergence? First of all, what is a divergence? Because a lot of people know RSI, but what is the actual divergence? Divergence is just like divorce, okay? So एक आदमी दाहिना जाता है तो दूसरा आदमी बायां जाता है. If I go into the north, I know other person will go in the south. This is called divergence. ऐसे याद रखना. And convergence किसको बोलता है? That is marriage. So दोनों एक साथ हो जाता है. So when I am seeing a Bank Nifty chart, I am very interestingly, from this chart you are not understanding anything. I convert this into quickly a line chart. Once I have seen the line chart in a daily time frame, just look at it very carefully what I am saying. Now in this line chart, if you see that these are the closing value. Line charts shows the closing value. Very simple. From here, if you look at up to this top to this top, so during these two top, what is the closing value? Let me maximize this, then it will be very easy for you to read. What is the closing value here on the left hand side? If you see 35,771, what is the closing value here? 35,907. That means price is going up, correct? But then if I look at RSI, it gives in the opposite direction. From here RSI has gone down, okay? So from here to here. Why? How it has gone down? What is the RSI meter? RSI value here, it is 62.57, and here it is 61.71. So there is clear the price is going up and RSI value is coming down, which means the speed at which it was market was going is slowing down very silently. So this is a how much how many bars are there? This is a 6 bar bearish divergence, right? So if I measure, if I want to see how many bars it is happening, so I can see from here it is 6 bars. This is a 6 bar bearish divergence, but ideally I would have been very happy had it been a 5 bar bearish divergence. So if it is a bearish divergence on a daily chart, what should be my target? My target is very simple, low between these two high. That's your target. That is, my target is here. This is my target. Okay, now uh, let me draw it. Yeah, this is the target. How much is the target? What is the closing value here? 35,071. What was Nifty yesterday? Yesterday closing value was 35,907, and what I am talking about, 35,071, almost 900 point correction I am seeing from here. Okay, so here also I am also seeing another piece, that is, in a longer perspective, if you see from this particular level, from this level to this level, okay, price is going up, but if you look at the RSI from here to here, it is coming down, meaning there is a divergence and range shift, because it has come down and again it tried to go up and again come down, tried to go up and come down this time. So therefore this is called a range shift. So when you have a bearish range shift with divergence and range shift, it becomes a deadly combination. So therefore I am expecting 900 point correction easily, effortlessly, without any problem. Okay, so this is the power of our technical analysis. Okay, so we predicted here, so we predicted at top. Okay, now if we switch on our setup, this is a special setup. This actually draws gives you a lot of comfort when you navigate this the setup, and because this setup is actually gives you signal at the right time. Forget about RSI, okay, this gives right signal at right time, and so that you can take good calls, and also it gives you the support resistance levels as well. So therefore, where is my immediate support, what is my immediate resistance, and all those stuffs, that would be given automatically. And there are several other lines which are really I use very often, and these lines are really very this holds good for a long time, because these are GAN assistant line and these are mathematical lines. So therefore no guesswork. I don't believe in guesswork. Okay, so I will now show you one of the trade that we have taken, and also I will tell you what are the new researches that we have done. Okay, so now this is a 5-minute chart of Bharat Forge. Okay, you see there is no indicator. Okay, what I will do is I will also switch off the volume part of it. Okay, so that I don't need volume right at this moment. It is required. I will explain you the technical part of it. So carefully ये आप थोड़ा देख लीजिए कि केयरफुली देखना है हम क्या बोलना चाहता है. अब पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये चार्ट को ना सब बंद कर देते हैं. So it's a naked chart for me. Okay, naked chart में हम क्या देख रहे हैं, this is a lot size of 1500. Okay, we have traded this. So हम क्या देख रहे हैं naked eye में, stock is in downtrend, and downtrend आने का बाद ये uptrend हुआ है. So therefore, is it possible for us to catch here? Yes, it is possible. But ऐसे देख के result नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. So I am telling you how I have actually caught it. Okay. Now ये दिस इज अ डाउन ट्रेंड भारत फोर्ज, हम लोग बाई किया बॉटम में. क्यों, कैसे? सो दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, if we switch on this GAN part of it, okay, now this GAN part actually gives me this support resistance line. So we actually missed the trade here. Somehow we are trading in other stocks, so somehow we missed here, and if we look at our pattern, special patterns, so that will give you a signal at appropriate level. जो ये देखिए, why we missed it, because we missed 2-3 times here because we are focusing on some other stocks. यहाँ से जब it was coming down, the signal was generated. This is a cup and handle pattern. This is a cup pattern automatically drawn, and in this cup and handle pattern, this has completed 88% of the radius, which is fairly okay. So the cup handle pattern either complete ho gaya hai. So these are the very very powerful patterns that automatically are generated, and the green line is very very strong resistance line or support line, whatever you can. Support become resistance is alternatively ये होता है. So basically let me explain the trade and this GAN channel, and this channel basically हल्का से highlight करता है कहाँ normal stiff resistance है, कहाँ नहीं है. So as I said ना, मैंने ना यह मिस कर गया ट्रेड, तो ठीक है, मिस कर गया तो मिस कर गया, तो यहाँ से मेरा सपोर्ट ये रेजिस्टेंस लाइन आ रहा था, एंड हमारा सिस्टम जो है ये एरो दिखा रहा था, इट इज गोइंग डाउन गोइंग डाउन गोइंग डाउन. दैट्स ओके फाइन. जब वहाँ मिस कर गया तो बीच रास्ते में हम ट्रेड नहीं पकड़ता हूँ. सो आई सेड व्हेन इट इज कमिंग डाउन, सो भारत फोर्ज has a strong trend if you look at daily chart. So if we switch on to the daily chart, you will see it's a very very strong trend here. Okay, so it is uptrend, it is taking a retracement. तो हमको करना क्या है, हम उस स्टॉक्स को हम सेल नहीं करेंगे, हम बाई करेंगे, राइट. सो बाई कहाँ करेगा, अब देखिए सिग्नल क्यू हमने बाई किया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो है ना, ये वॉल्यूम का जो है, वॉल्यूम इंफॉर्मेशन इज बीइंग रिलेट. तो आप देखिए हार्ट जो साइन आ रहा है ना, इज बेसिकली सेइंग दिस इज अ हाई वॉल्यूम बाई. एंड इफ आई स्विच ऑन द वॉल्यूम हियर, देन हमको दरकार ही नहीं है वॉल्यूम इंफॉर्मेशन. यहाँ से हम देख पाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली इट्स हाई वॉल्यूम बार. ओके, एंड यहाँ से हमने क्यू यहाँ से ट्रेड क्यू नहीं लिया. अब दिस इज द $1 million नगेट. क्यू नहीं लिया ट्रेड इसीलिए नहीं लिया. आप देखिए जब रेट, अब ये वाला जो कैंडल है, दिस इज ए वेरी 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 स्मॉल कैंडल but with a very high volume, red black volume. So that means उसकी बाद जो डाउन ट्रेंड आया है, आप देखिए यहाँ वॉल्यूम ड्राइंग अप. So therefore when the price is going down but volume without any volume, it's basically the downtrend is very weak. Okay, so therefore we are also not interested when he saw it. ओके, तो अभी क्या हुआ, यहाँ जाके आपने देखिए यहाँ से ना वॉल्यूम है स्टार्टेड इंक्रीजिंग, बट ये जो इंक्रीजिंग तो इधर हुआ. हाँ, हम इधर क्यों लिया, इट इज वेरी सिंपल फॉर अस. look at the signal. Now at this particular level you have a morning star pattern. ऑटोमेटिकली सिग्नल हमको दिया मॉर्निंग स्टार पैटर्न है. ये ग्रीन वाला लाइन हमको दिया कि दिस इज वायर द सपोर्ट इज हैपनिंग. एंड what is this area? This area is corroborated by 0.382 Fibonacci level, which is a very very strong support zone. and जब हमने 382 के पास morning star ये मिला है, and this is where the buying I got a buying signal. The moment it basically this particular line is a resistance line, resistance easily got broken. Once the resistance got broken, in fact I waited for this particular pitchfork line. सो दिस ये पिचफॉक लाइन में मैंने इसी टाइप पे 804 पे मैंने एक लॉट खरीद लिया. ओके, व्हाट वाज माय स्टॉप लॉस, वेरी सिंपल, 403 50 पैसा का स्टॉप लॉस है मेरा, ज़्यादा नहीं है. 804 में घुसा है, तो 804 में जब बाई किया है, लुक how it is going up, it is just rapidly, very fast. Q, because the stock was in main stock was in uptrend. ओके, एंड डाउन ट्रेंड में जब था उसकी वॉल्यूम नहीं था, तो इधर हमारा पास काफ़ी सारा रीज़न है जो इसके लिए इसको ये दौड़ेगा. व्हाई, these are the two reasons. The third, what is the third reason? अब देखिए ये बोलिंजर बैंड्स जो है ना, ये बोलिंजर बैंड्स क्या आउटसाइड इनसाइड है. बोलिंजर बैंड जब आउटसाइड इनसाइड होता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड वोलेटिलिटी डाइवर्जेंस. सो दीज 3-4 कन्फर्मेशंस. ओके, दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइन हल्का जो ब्लैक लाइन ही रहा है, दिस इज बोलिंजर बैंड लाइन्स. So Bollinger Bands outside inside हुआ. So I do not need any more confirmation. If we get 3 kind of different confirmations and that's shot up and stock हमने इस एरिया में तो हम देख ही रहा है ग्रीन है, बट हम क्यों उसको इस एरिया पे निकल गया। जब यहाँ हमने ट्रेड लिया, पहले हम डिसाइड कर लेते कि भूल हमारा बुल ट्रैप कहाँ है। ओके, सो देयरफॉर हमारा बुल ट्रैप जो है, बुल ट्रैप इज वेरी इजी टू फाइंड आउट। सी दिस इज ए मैथमेटिकली कैलकुलेटेड लाइन। आप देखिए एग्जैक्टली यहाँ जाके बैठ गया है 808 पे। So basically this is the reason, this is the region where it is trapped. So therefore हमने जब इस जगह पे था, अब इस जगह प्रेडिक्ट किया है कि यहाँ हमको निकालना है। सो यहाँ जाके मैं 808 रुपया में बीच निकल गया। सो हाउ मच इज द मनी? द मनी इज 6,000 रुपीज़, वेरी इजीली क्विक मनी। यहाँ से लेके जब हमने 2 बजे लिया और अब करीबन 3 बजे हमने निकल गया। सो बेसिकली इसकी लॉट साइज है 1500, 1500 into 4 point. So see the, it's not a big money. I was interested in showing you the kind of trade, logical trade that we do. So therefore ये this पूरा logic में काम होता है. Okay, and if you are not interested in seeing all these things, you can always switch off the pattern. आपको अगर pattern, but ये जो patterns है ना, these are all very important lines that you cannot miss, because these are all automatic lines, and this will save you from taking wrong trade. और एक चीज जो हम लोग का इस सिस्टम में आया है, अब देखिए यहाँ ना, इट इज एक्चुअली रिलेट करंट ट्रेंड इज बियरिश। ये करंट क्या है ना, इस कैंडल की बारे में ही बोल रहा है, करंट ट्रेंड इज बियरिश। सो इफ आई go to any other stock, automatically it will keep let's say it's a 15-minute chart. Okay, let's convert this into a 15-minute chart, and I will show you how the indexes are can be reviewed, or rather let's say, let's start off from Hindalco. Quickly we can look at it without seeing anything. First of all, it gives me a good direct feeling, current trend bullish. Yes, current trend bullish. Okay, fantastic. So I quickly scan through this, and these are the no clear trend visible. Okay, that means yeah, this is the area where trend might change or might not change. We'll see. The moment I open a stock, जब भी हम स्टॉक खोलते हैं ना, ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे पास ये आएगा करंट ट्रेंड बुलिश। सो दिस स्टॉक इज ए बुलिश स्टॉक। ओके, करंट ट्रेंड बियरिश, दिस इज व्हाट इज द स्टॉक? टाटा मोटर। एंड आप देखो यहाँ बियरिश सिग्नल भी आया है। Okay, this is so easy to really do trading with volume informations. Here you have a hard informations, that means you have a big volatile volume, and trading is very easy. And these lines are all replicated lines, automatic. Current trend bearish with a arrow candle, double arrow candle, absolutely bearish. Although Biocon देखिए आदमी लोग buy करेगा, will be selling. Okay, so you can go on chart by chart with this kind of setup, and automatically this is easily, and mathematically I don't do it manually. So mathematically it is calculated, and जहाँ clear trend zone नहीं है हमने नहीं करेगा, no clear zone पर कोबरा वर्सेस VWAP, वॉल्यूम वेटेड एवरेज प्राइस। सो ये दोनों कंपेयर करके हमको क्विकली बोल देते हैं, दिस बेसिकली डज ए रिले। सिस्टम में रिले करेंगे, इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा तभी ना हम ट्रेड करेगा। अब देखिए यूपीएल का, यूपीएल हैज एन अप ट्रेंड बट माय ट्रेंड इज शोइंग डाउन ट्रेंड। सो डाउन ट्रेंड क्यों, ये भी दे दिया है, कंफर्मेशन है। तो द मोमेंट ये वाला ब्लैक लाइन, मीडियन लाइन ब्रेक करेगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली नीचे आ जाएगा। सो दीज आर, देखिए करंट ट्रेंड बुलिश। सो एवरी स्टॉक इन द वर्ल्ड ऑटोमेटिकली वी कैन डू इट। वी कैन गो टू BTC USD. These days I do it for my US clients. So यहाँ BTC में ना आप USD में भी देखो, Bitcoin USD में current trend is bullish, and you have got a very special yellow candle. Automatically this special candle is a super volatile candle, and ये candle नीचे से आप देखिए blue वाला arrow दिया है to buy at this level, and ये कहाँ चला गया, इस resistance में जाके अटक गया है इस रेजिस्टेंस में, and then again it is going, but then where it can stop again, there we can always measure our bull trap and other things, and the stock will be reversing automatically from 32,017 level. So this is the power of our stock show setup. Okay, so friends, if you want to be a part of this kind of setup, you can always do that. Otherwise, if I switch off this our setup, you will not be able to make out anything whatsoever what is happening in the market around. And आपका यहाँ अगर आप युद्ध करने जाओगे तो आपका पास अगर ammunition नहीं है तो आप it will be very difficult for you to fight the battle and win the battle. Fighting everybody can fight, but you know how many can win. And ये देखिए ये वाला स्कैनर भी है. So these scanners and all those things, you know, this comes in the live market and automatically you know, this helps you to do good trading. So all these are available in the description box. If you want to find out, you can find out. You can contact me in the below number 91430 91430. This is my number and I respond to everybody, and you can take a call. So with this short video, thank you very much for your participation and watching and supporting Stock Show. This is CS Sharuk Bose from Stock Show Day. Bye bye for now.